So hello everyone, just please follow my commands. So whatever am I doing. So you must have downloaded this file. So take this file from this folder and take it to your desktop. Paste it here, like it's already pasted, and go to the run like search bar of the Windows and type command prompt, and then type this command cd desktop. Okay, and then just run this command pip install -r requirements. Just press the tab and it will automatically complete, and just press enter. So we have already installed on this, so it's not installing anything, but I prefer that all of you but you should have like some installation process. So and be sure that your internet is on while doing this thing. You need to be connected to the internet while running these commands. So this was the first thing, and second thing is you open your VS Code, and here you create one second, just 1 second, pause for it. Yeah, so sorry. So you'll just create a new file in whatever directory you are, it doesn't matter. Create a new file, name it test.ipynb, test.ipynb, and it will create a file like this, where you will have a cell. In that cell, type print hello, and just press shift plus enter on the keyboard. So it will pop up like this. Press the first option, click on the first option, and now come to the bottom right and click on install. These two, like whatever it's asking you to install, just click on install. So it will take some time, just to like let it run for some time. So yeah, so now it will come up to the top again. Choose the first option again, and then let it find your Python 3 point, like whatever version that you installed. So yeah, so here my version just popped up, like Python 3.10. So choose that option, the second option, and then press enter, and now allow access. One second, the mouse is not good. Allow access, install. So it will just now install some things, and now that's it. Just let it install. Take some time, so be patient. Yeah, so it's connected to the kernel, and then you must see this output hello just below the cell. And that's all, guys. Please do this before coming to the workshop if possible, or we will do it here too, but I would definitely prefer if you do it at your home, because then we will not have to spend on our time on this thing. So thank you.